Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Benelli TRK 502, an adventure bike that's been generating a lot of buzz lately. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a curious newcomer, the TRK 502 promises a thrilling escape on two wheels. So, buckle up, and let's see if it lives up to the hype. Key features: performance. Engine power. The TRK 502 packs a punch with its 500cc, twin-cylinder engine. It delivers smooth power at low and mid-range RPMs, perfect for cruising and tackling uneven terrain. Don't expect a crotch rocket, but overtaking on highways is achievable with the downshift. Handling comfort. This motorcycle prioritizes comfort. The upright riding position and well-padded seat ensure fatigue-free rides, even on long journeys. The wide handlebars offer excellent control, and the 50mm upside-down forks provide a plush ride, soaking up bumps and imperfections with ease. Braking. Safety is paramount. The TRK 502 features dual-disc brakes up front and a single disc at the rear, all with ABS. This combination offers strong stopping power, giving you confidence in various riding conditions. Design. Unique selling points. Rugged looks. The TRK 502 has a tough, adventure-ready aesthetic. The muscular bodywork, tall windscreen, and spoked wheels exude a sense of purpose. It's a motorcycle that looks ready to conquer any path. Value for money. This is where the TRK 502 truly shines. Compared to its competitors, it boasts impressive features at a very attractive price tag. You're getting a lot of adventure-ready motorcycle for your buck. Versatility. Whether you're tackling city streets, carving up winding roads, or exploring off-beaten paths, the TRK 502 adapts with ease. It's a true all-rounder that can handle a variety of riding styles and terrains. Target audience. This motorcycle is ideal for riders who. The Benelli TRK 502 is a compelling option for riders seeking an adventure companion. It offers a comfortable ride, decent power, and a rugged design, all at a price that won't break the bank. While it might not be the most powerful bike on the market, it makes up for it with its versatility and value proposition. So, if you're ready to create some lasting memories on the open road, the Benelli TRK 502 is definitely worth considering. Call to action. Thanks for joining me on this ride. If you're interested in learning more about the TRK 502, check out the links in the description below. Let me know in the comments what kind of adventure bike features are most important to you. Until next time, ride safe. TRK